Welcome. Today we will listen to a wonderful story to improve your English skills. Subscribe now and follow button. Thank you all.
Once upon a time in the quiet countryside, there lived a little boy named Alex. He always dreamed of embarking on an adventure beyond the green fields and rolling hills of his hometown. Little did he know that his opportunity would soon present itself in an unexpected way. One brisk fall morning, while exploring the forest on the outskirts of his village, Alex stumbles upon a mysterious old map half buried under a bed of fallen leaves. The map depicts a distant land rumored to be full of hidden treasures and enchanting secrets. Burning with curiosity and excitement, Alex decides to follow the map's path and embarks on an unforgettable journey. While traversing through dense forests and winding rivers, Alex encounters countless challenges and obstacles. However, with every obstacle, he learns valuable lessons about perseverance, courage, and the importance of resilience. Along the way, he encounters fantastic creatures such as talking animals and whimsical fairies, each imparting their own wisdom and guidance. Through these encounters, Alex's understanding of the world expanded, and his English vocabulary became richer with each new interaction. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in orange and pink hues, Alex finally reached the end of his mission. In front of him stood a magnificent castle, its towering towers reaching to the sky. Inside, he discovered not just treasures of gold and jewels, but something far more valuable: knowledge and friendship. In the castle library, Alex looked through ancient tomes and manuscripts, delving into the rich history and diverse cultures of the world. He became friends with scholars and adventurers from distant lands, exchanging stories and laughing late into the night. With newfound wisdom and a heart full of memories, Alex bid farewell to his new friends and began his journey home. Although his adventure is over, the lessons he learned and the friendships he made will stay with him forever. Returning to his village, Alex shared his incredible story with wide-eyed children and curious villagers, inspiring them to dream big and embrace the unknown. As he watched the sun set over his familiar fields, Alex knew that no matter where life took him next, he would always cherish the adventures that made him the person he became.